Hey guys, and welcome to your Silent Trader channel. Today is the 25th of the 11th. The trading day has ended. Looking forward to tomorrow, the next trading day. I thought let me quickly make this video so that I don't miss a day. Um, that's the current account balance. We started yesterday with 50,000. That's down by £700. Yesterday the profit was £600. It went up to 50,650 pounds. Earlier on today the market went down. That's what I'm trading in US 30. The market went down by about 400 points. Right, so there you go guys. The market went down all the way down there, 406 points. It went up a bit. So basically, like I said, the market moves in waves. Yeah. So it went up yesterday up to there, and today it came back down. When it went up there yesterday, I closed. On the way down, don't forget I'm following the uptrend. So on the way down, I'm going to be losing, but my sells made me money. I'll show you what I mean, guys. Right, these are my close positions, the last 200. If we do them by net profit and loss, last 200 positions, out of 600, I made 620 pips. I only lost £54. Yeah, so even though the account is down, when the market starts moving up, I'm going to realize all this profit. Let me show you guys. There's £2,500 there. Can you see it there? Minus 2,000. Yeah, so all this money is coming back. If you look at my closed positions, as I keep saying, as long as my closed positions are more, my wins are more than my losses, I'm good. So this out of 200, these are all the losses there, right? So that's it. Out of 200, all the rest are wins. So when it comes to, when the market starts going up, I'm going to realize all this profit, guys. Yeah, I've done all my analysis. I know the market is going to go up. Remember, I told you every time the market goes down, I'm going to buy more. So I've bought more, which I'll show you in a bit. So all these are wins. Yeah, they're more. Look, this is the day. There's loads of wins out of 200 positions. See that? So my win versus loss ratio is always on top. That's all I need to do. Okay, guys, see that? All wins, right? So tomorrow, when the market goes up, this one that is minus 67 at the moment, that will probably go up by about 800, 700 pounds, or it might even clear all this off. But the main thing is, we'll see how much this makes at the end of the month. Because basically the whole idea of this channel is to see how much you can make each month to pay yourself if as a job, right? So yeah, we'll see. So subscribe to this channel. You guys are going to see magic. Another thing I want to announce as well is I want you guys to go on the internet and type this in. It's called FTMO Challenge. This is something amazing. You guys need to learn how to trade, man. See this FTMO challenge? Go and read about it, right? That's it there, FTMO challenge, right? Just Google it, put it into YouTube, anything, right? FTMO is huge, right? It's for Forex. It's a Forex competition. If you pass it, they give you £50,000 cash for you to trade for them. Whatever you make each month, you keep 70%, you give them 30%, right? You pay about $300 to register. So I am going to go for this FTMO challenge, yeah, because I think if I'm making money here, right, I might as well be making money anywhere else. It's the same thing. So I'm going to pay $300. I'm going to go for it on this challenge. Basically, I'm going to put it on my channel so you can see me. It's a full 30 days. When you read about it, you get the gist anyway, guys. So I can't really go into that, yeah? I think I'm going to leave it there. Tomorrow is going to be so exciting. You guys are going to see magic. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe. I'm going to leave it there for now. Yes, wishing you guys a lovely evening. Peace. Yeah.